Wondering where to find your billing details in Google Ads? It's simple. First, log in to your Google Ads account. Look for the wrench icon labeled Tools and Settings in the top right corner. Click it, then select Billing from the menu. Finally, click the Transactions tab to access your billing history. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your charges, payments, and adjustments. This is your go-to spot for managing Google Ads finances. The Transactions tab in Google Ads provides a detailed breakdown of your financial activity. It shows all your charges, payments, and adjustments in one organized view. In this tab, you'll see key information for each transaction, including the date it occurred, a description of what it was for, such as ad spend or account credits, the amount involved, and which payment method was used. You can organize this information by sorting the list. Sort by date to see chronological activity, by transaction type to group similar charges, or by amount to identify your largest or smallest transactions. For quick access to specific entries, use the search bar at the top of the transactions list. Search for terms like refunds to find credit transactions, or specify date ranges to narrow down your view. To download receipts or invoices, start by opening your Google Ads account. Navigate to Tools and Settings, then select Billing, and click on the Transactions tab. This tab shows all your financial transactions in a clear list. Once in the Transactions tab, scroll through the list of transactions. Each entry shows details like the date, amount, and status. Find the specific transaction for which you need a receipt or invoice. After locating your transaction, click on it to open the details. You'll find an option to download the receipt as a PDF. This receipt confirms your payment and can be saved for your records. For invoices, which are detailed statements for tax purposes, they are automatically generated for accounts with monthly spending over $1,000. You can download them directly from the Transactions tab or request to have them emailed to you. Remember to keep your downloaded receipts and invoices organized for tax purposes and financial records. Google Ads now features Billing Insights AI, an AI-driven tool that analyzes your spending patterns and flags any anomalies in your transaction history. This helps to identify potential billing errors or unexpected charges, reducing disputes. Take some time to familiarize yourself with this tool, as it could save you both time and money. In Google Ads, receipts and invoices serve different but important purposes in your billing process. While both documents are accessible from the Transactions tab, they provide distinct information for your accounting and record-keeping needs. Receipts are confirmations of payments you've already made. They are issued immediately after a successful payment and show details such as the payment method used, the date of payment, and the exact amount paid. This makes them useful for your personal records and immediate confirmation. Invoices, on the other hand, provide a detailed breakdown of the charges you've incurred for your Google Ads campaigns. Unlike receipts, invoices are typically issued periodically, such as monthly, and include itemized costs, applicable taxes, and the total amount. This makes them crucial for tax reporting and business accounting. To summarize the key differences, receipts confirm that you've made a payment and are issued immediately, while invoices break down your charges and are issued periodically. Receipts are primarily for payment confirmation, whereas invoices serve important tax and accounting purposes by detailing the costs incurred. When reviewing your transaction history, pay attention to key metrics such as total spend, payment dates, and reasons for adjustments like account credit or billing threshold. Tracking these metrics will help you understand your overall advertising costs and identify any potential issues or discrepancies. To protect your financial information, enable two-factor authentication for your Google Ads account. This adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access to billing details and reducing fraud risk. Following a 2025 data breach, Google made 2FA mandatory for billing access. The process involves your password plus a code sent to your mobile device. Enable 2FA in account settings to secure your billing information. Google Ads now offers a unified billing hub that consolidates billing data from Google Ads, YouTube ads, and the Google Display Network into a single dashboard. This eliminates silos and makes it easier to manage your advertising costs across multiple platforms. If you're advertising on multiple Google platforms, this feature will be a huge time saver.